How to add Google Analytics in your GoDaddy quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to godaddy.com and you will get to your website builder. This is the website that I'm working on. Once you get to the website where you want to add the GoDaddy, you will be able to see your website, and then we have three options given. We have website, theme, and settings right here at this side of your screen. So you're going to go to the settings right here, which is next to the theme option. Here, you will be able to find a bunch of different settings. We have domain settings, profile, favicons, and history. You're going to scroll down a little bit to the analytics and tracking. In analytics and tracking, we have cookie banner, and the second option is Google Analytics. So you're going to select Google Analytics right here. And all you need to do is you will just enter your measurement ID or a tracking ID from your Google Analytics right here. If you already have an account in Google Analytics, then you're good to go. You can just, log in with your GoDaddy right here, or you can sign up for Google Analytics through this link right here. Sign up, create an account on Google Analytics, and then with Google Analytics, you can track how and when your customers are browsing your site. All you need to do is enter your measurement ID or tracking ID. So get the tracking ID from your settings of Google Analytics, paste it right here, and there you go. You will have Google Analytics on your GoDaddy website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.